This is tutorial number 3 on the CRTC's IOIO or yo-yo board security system. In this one we are going to add a button that will send test text. So let's go and add a button. First thing, run over to your layout and go to your main XML. There's a bunch of stuff already here. We're going to leave it alone for now, and we're going to add a button. Rename the button. I like to keep a B for button at the beginning of it, and this will be the test text. Test text button. And now that we've made the button, we go to our Java, main activity Java, and we make a variable. I like to copy and paste this toggle button. Now this is not a toggle button, this is just a regular button, so you have to set it as a button. And the name, I'm going to name it the same thing as the other one, basically, button test text with an underscore. Okay, now we have a red line underneath button. That means we have not imported that from the widgets. So we'll import that. That should take care of it. Now we have a button in our XML, and we have a variable test text in our Java. Now we're going to link the two together so they can talk to each other. And it's basically copy and pasting again. So the B test button equals not a toggle, it's just a regular button. Modify that. And let's save everything so this next part will work. Delete the last, go to r.id, then type I again, or dot again, and that button that we created in the XML file should still be there, should show up. So click those. Okay, no red, this is good. The next step is to actually do something when this button is pushed. So that code is actually done right here. You type in your variable again, and type dot. We're going to set a listener. So set on click listener. First choice right there. Then you're going to make a new view, new space capital V dot, and it comes up with a listener. Okay, now a semicolon down here to get rid of all your red X's. Right here in this section right here, to do, is where we're going to do our stuff. And this button simply sends a text. So let's go back to the website, the e101.webs.com, and go to Lessons Android Basics, and send a text. It's going to explain how it works. This is the code you'll need right here. I like just copy and paste it, Control V. Okay, so we have some red again. Hover over it, pops up. We need to import the SMS messenger. Click on that. Okay, this stuff is an incorrect phone number, but if you want to put a real phone number in there, it works much better. In our message, this is a test text from AAA Security System. And let's build it. See if there's any errors. Oh, there is a problem. This will crash. And what we are missing in this is permission. Permissions are given through the manifest. Click on your manifest. Click over to permissions. We are going to add a user permission. And this user permission will be permission, I believe it's send Send SMS. Click on that. Save. Now let's run it and check and make sure everything works good. And that's the end of this one. Thanks.